Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to recover a hacked Reddit account step by step. First, open Chrome or any other browser on your phone or PC. In the search bar, type Reddit Help. Tap on the official Reddit Help page from the results. Once the page opens, use the search box. Type account hacked and search. Now tap on the option that says I need help with a hacked account. Reddit will show some basic safety steps. You may see options like checking account activity or resetting your password. Scroll down the page. If you are still not able to recover your account, tap on Submit a Request. Now, from the drop-down menu that says What do you need assistance with, select Account Help. Next, enter your email address in the email box. This should be an email you can currently access. After that, select the issue type. Choose I think my account has been hacked from the drop-down list. Now enter your Reddit username in the username box. Reddit will ask you a few questions. Select whether two-factor authentication was enabled or not. Choose whether you are able to log into your Reddit account. Select whether you are receiving password reset emails or not. Next, type a clear subject in the subject of inquiry box. Then briefly explain your issue in the details of inquiry box. Mention when the problem started and what unusual activity you noticed. You can also attach a file if you have any proof or screenshots. Once everything is filled in, tap on Submit. Reddit will review your request and contact you through email. This may take some time, so be patient. To stay safe in the future, enable two-factor authentication. Use a strong and unique password for your Reddit account. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more account recovery tutorials and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.